What's up, guys? This is your boy Leonie from Maison Moderne. We have completed our design studio and I'm about to show you the work done so far. So we have two L-shaped desks on this side here where you have the manager for the 3D design sits with me on this side, and we have here the other design team, and everybody's got their area nicely done. Now today at some point we're going to have some design features put on the wall here and all around the room. And Maison Moderne, the 3D studio, we design all types of furniture. We design your home for you in 3D and render it so you can see how it will look like before we even make the furniture. So if you got a home you want done for you in Cameroon, you want a property or anything designed in 3D first, then contact Maison Moderne on the number at the end of this video. My name is Leonie. Peace and ciao.